So there's a couple of people here. There's actually hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people here. There's a parking lot's packed full of people. More parking lots packed full of people. This is a big show, and there are people waiting in line for like ever. You got your things? You see the guy in the bicycle?
About your bicycles as we see one here mounting up.
There are two ambulances set up over behind the flight door.
All these people are ready. It's going to taxi out, and we have to follow them and grab the wing and hold it so the airplane can fly.
Off with our friends from Vacation Land Skydivers, and we'll be doing the national anthem as part of the opening act. We've got a lot of fun things going today.
He's really going forward.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
What do you like the best so far?
Thing where he does the spinning and he goes upside down. That was so amazing. Sounded like that.
Go, Mario.
There he goes. Yes. Yep, somebody's driving it.
At least they used to be. It looks like a giant toy airplane.
Rebel Air. On these aircraft here, this is the next evolution. The early aircraft you see like the standard J1, 2011 MXS single seat. It is absolutely 100% all. And this is based in the Warren Airport. Just outside Washington, D.C. in Virginia. These aircraft, folks, they are, someone asked you a while ago.
John. He's coming this direction.
Here we go, coming in for 11. Passing by show center at 300 miles an hour, going completely vertical, and a 10G maneuver. A series of rolls, 550 degrees, and a 5G to pull the horizontal.
Here he comes.
And here, watch how he comes in here. We call this, as he does his control groups, into a big, gigantic barnstormer loop. Here at the show center. Again,
Whoa! That is so amazing.
Guys, just turn it up.